come take a look at this new 2013 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 17 on the highway. This Tundra 4WD truck boasts a 5.7-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the 4-piece carpet floor mats, platinum package and the 50 state emissions. Call 866-655-8722 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.